Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we will explore command panel, and this video also focused on the basic components and basic interface of 3D Max. So command panel is here on the right side. You can see here the buttons: create, and then modify, hierarchy, motion, etc. So I will explain how these buttons will work. Have their sub icons, which consist of a lot of things. Like first one is containing the basic geometry: box, cone. 2, if we want to create a box, we will click and choose box, and just for cone we can make one like this, or cylinder, or any other thing. Second option is of shapes. So if we want to create some 2D shapes like line, for example, or an arc, or we want to create some circle, then this option we need, this menu we need. Similarly, we have third menu for lightings and light system in 3ds Max. Fourth one is for camera. Fifth tab is of helpers, and we can use these helpers in our project. Seventh one is for space warps, and last one is for systems. So if we create some body, humanoid body here, we can use this section for bones and bip. This is a modifier tab, and we can apply different modifiers for our objects. How they work, I will show you. Let's delete these things and let's create a box. We have this box. If we go to modifier, and for example we choose a bend modifier for this box, we can bend this box to certain angle. You can see we can also choose the direction. We can also choose the axis for bend, and after bending the cube, if we scale the cube, you can see the result. So we applied bend modifier on specific box. Similarly, we have different type of modifiers for different things, and for example, if we convert this box to editable poly, let's apply this modifier, then we can make some more changes with this box. For example, if we select the box and select the polygon, in our case we don't have too much segments of this box because we didn't created vertex initially. So what we can do, we can just go to box, we can increase these segments just for a learning purpose, and now if we select editable poly, we will find some segments here. So we can play with these segments. For example, let's extrude this segment, or we can do like this. We can click here and make some mountain here, or we can scale specific node as well. So this is a very handy tool in 3D Studio Max. We will usually use this first tab and second tab of these modifiers mostly. And in this, the first tab, let's delete this one. We discussed about these shapes, but we have something else as well. So if we click here, we will find some more components. Let's choose extended primitives, and you will find some extra things here. Let's make a chamfer box, create chamfer box, and we can fill it its edges like this. So very handy. So the purpose of exploring these things, I want to show you guys that we can create anything. So we have explored the basic interface of 3D Studio Max. We can zoom our screen. For example, if we create a box and we want to zoom inside, we can just scroll and zoom in, and by scrolling back we can zoom out. That's very simple. So I think most of things the basic things we have understand. So from next video we are going to start our project. Let's meet in next video. Thank you very much.